Drill the hole and fill the hole. Put the thingy in the hole.
Hi folks, thanks for dropping in today. Right now I am smack dab in the middle of making a whole bunch of really informative and fun DIY videos. DIY videos that will definitely save you a ton of time and energy and money whenever you go to work on your house. I wanted to check in with you guys for a quick pencil hack and to tell you that America's Funniest Handyman is alive and well and moving forward. We are on the case. I also today wanted to share this phone message that I got from a guy that hates me. I had no idea that starting this channel would piss some people off, but apparently it has. Okay, I'm gonna play this guy's phone message, but first I wanna give you a good tip and talk about the greatest job site pencil ever made. A pencil, Tommy? A pencil, Tommy? Yeah, really, a pencil. This pencil right here is called a PaperMate handwriting pencil.
And I'll tell you why it's so freaking good, okay? First of all, it's triangular.
Why is that important? Because it won't roll off the table. If you drop it, it stops rolling in just a second. It doesn't always roll off the plan table. And that's the other thing. When you're on a job site all the time, you gotta deal with plans. You're always marking them up or doing something different to them. And I don't know about you, but if you carry those little mechanical pencils that have the teensy-weensy lead in it, every time you push remotely hard, they break. This pencil has a 1.3 millimeter number 2 lead in it, so that when you really get writing, it doesn't break, even if you're writing angry. And it comes with an eraser. Every box comes with these colors, which make it easy to find in the sawdust. But these guys are made for kids, man. It's made for kids. Look at all the crazy fun colors. I like fun colors. Because they're easy to find. And you know what? On job sites, a lot of guys aren't going to steal your pink pencil because they're too homophobic to steal your pink pencil. So there's another great thing about it. These pencils are made for kids, and I don't know if you've been on a job site recently, but most job sites are full of overgrown man-children pretending to be adults. So these pencils are just perfect for those guys. Okay, it's the PaperMate triangular handwriting number 2 1.3 millimeter pencil. I have them. It's all I use now. That's it. That's all I use. Hey folks, I'm doing everything here by myself. So I'm doing all my filming, all my editing, all the building and everything. So sometimes I'm gonna have a couple of weeks where you don't see a video from me. But don't go anywhere. Please don't go anywhere. Continue to subscribe. I promise you, I'm gonna keep making these videos until you know how to do everything around the house. I promise. Anyway, are you guys ready to listen to this maniac that left a message on my voicemail? I have to use my daughter's phone because I'm a little technologically unadvanced, so the voice message is now on her phone, and I'm gonna put my microphone next to her phone so that you guys can hear this dude. I had to actually bleep out some of the stuff that this guy said because he has a very foul mouth, so be warned. There is a little bit of cursing on here. All right, here we go.
Yeah, listen, I'm calling to leave a message for America's Funniest Handyman. My name is Dick Foreman, and I own a company called Foreman Enterprises, and I build shit. That's what we do. We build stuff. We don't walk around talking about how fun life is, thinking that everything's fun and games, and it's all about patience and safety and all that bullshit. Listen, I came onto my job site the other day, and I found 3 of my guys on coffee break, sitting around listening and watching your stupid little frickin' gay videos. I can't stand it. It made me sick. And when they go back to work, they're always slower when they go back to work after watching your videos because they're all about, oh, I gotta have a good time while I'm working, and I gotta be patient. Oh, hey, Dick, I don't want to hurt my fingers, Dick. I'm about production and results. And I can't get results if my guys are walking around thinking that life is a good time. I need them working. And I think if a guy is cutting open his fingers, that means he is working, and he's worth something. Guys that never get hurt on the job ain't worth shit. Means they ain't trying hard enough. What a bunch of crap. This whole DIY movement is a bunch of crap. For years, I've been losing customers because I want to do it myself. You can't do it yourself, and a job site is no place for smiles and fun. I'm sick of this crap. I'm so sick of this crap that I'm making it my mission to start taking down the DIY movement one at a time, and I'm starting with you, America's funniest handyman. You watch your freaking back, because Dick Foreman is coming for you. Maybe the next time I call, you'll have the decency and the balls to answer the goddamn phone like a man, you son of a...
You are talking about the nonsensical ravings of a lunatic mind.
Hilarious. I don't even think he realizes how much he sounds like a jerky boy. Well, Mr. Foreman, challenge accepted. Please, please, call me again. I'll answer it as long as you don't block the number. But now I'm on a mission. Because it's crotchety old, mean, intolerant bullies like you that inspire crazy people like me to keep on giving out free information. Because guess what, Mr. Foreman? I'm gonna keep on going, and I'm not gonna stop until I teach everybody in the entire 50 states and all of North America how to do it themselves and rid themselves of the need of greedy, price-gouging bags of wind like yourself. Okay, folks, tell your friends, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. That's the key to everything for me right now. That's the home base. YouTube is my home base. I want you to follow me on Instagram. I want you to follow me on Facebook. Those platforms are fantastic. I'm going to be posting all my videos on those platforms. However, right now, YouTube is the way that's really going to get this message out. Well, folks, that's it for now. We'll see you very shortly with a bunch of DIY videos. And as always, thanks for letting us bring a whole lot of experience and a little bit of humor onto your job site.
Fixing stuff in a serious way with a not so serious guy.